How to deactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and then simply go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on these three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. So once you're on this page, all you have to do is simply go to Meta Account Center and then tap on the option See More in Account Center. Now once you've done that, simply go to personal details and then tap on the option account ownership and control. Now once you've done that, tap on the option deactivation or deletion. Now once you've done that, simply choose whether you want to deactivate your Instagram account or your Facebook account. So in my case, it'll be my Instagram account. Now it'll again provide you two different options, so you can either deactivate your Instagram account or delete your Instagram account permanently. So since we are here to only deactivate our account, we'll tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to enter the password of your Instagram account for it to be deactivated. Now tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to select a reason as to why you are deactivating your Instagram account and then tap on the option continue. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the option deactivate account, and there you have it. So that is basically how you deactivate your Instagram account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.